What up, guys? Today we are taking out this protective style that I filmed for you. I haven't even uploaded this protective style yet. I've been wearing, I think we're on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is day 5. It's got to go. I wore this on the beach. It was hot outside. I sweat in this style. It's pretty old, but I wanted to take it out on camera because I did blow my hair out for this style and I feel like it's probably gonna make a pretty bomb braid out. And also in the video, I used this gold wire to accent the hair, and I kind of want to show you guys how I take this out. Like, I don't want to just encourage you to put something like this in your hair without showing you how to safely take it out, because it is wire and it can cut your hair if you're not careful. So just like not like a get ready with me, but kind of like a get unready. I guess it is a get ready with me because I am going to wear the braid out today. I got to wash my hair. What? I am filming, Felipe. Fish lips. Like a Squidward. Okay. This guy is looking at me out the window. He looked at my camera. Mind your business. Felipe is getting the car fixed. We're in Cape Cod and he was driving a little too fast. Popped the tire. It's not gonna take back the tire being popped, my friend. Anyway, figured it'd be a fun video. Plus, I think the braid out's probably gonna be mad cute, so let's just do it, okay? Let's just do it. First, I'm going to find the end of my gold situation here, starting with the top, because that was the last thing I put in. My hair is kind of like frizzy now, so it's like kind of overgrown. You gotta just be kind of careful that nothing gets caught in the wire. I don't want the wire to get too long, like, so as I take it out, I'm just gonna cut it. The longer the wire is, the more apt you are to like have it drag on your scalp or drag on your hair and cut something off, or, you know, even worse, drag on your eye. We don't want this anywhere near our face. So I'm just gently untwisting the gold wire and cutting off the small pieces. This is probably fine because it's away from my scalp. So I just got finished traveling. I went to DC, and then from DC I went to New Orleans for the Essence Fest, and then I went home, tried to recuperate for a week, and then I went to North Carolina for another shoot. All right, so this is going through my braid. I'm actually gonna cut it so it's not so long because I don't want it ripping my hair. North Carolina, and I just got back early last week, and then my family wanted to go to Cape Cod for just like a couple days, and we just got back now. So I've been doing a ridiculous amount of traveling. I'm so tired. I'm so done with traveling. Like, I don't understand who started this whole like romanticized traveling idea, but they need to stop because it is not that cute. I think probably if you don't have kids, it's probably a lot more fun, but like, you know, being on the road without your kids is kind of sad and depressing. So I really like being home. I like traveling too, but I just don't like doing it so much. Like I think ideally for me, I'd probably like to travel a little bit and then give it 2 months and then maybe travel again. Like, I don't like back-to-back traveling. All right, this is kind of complicated here. Rather than trying to drag out this gold wire and have it hit my hair, I'm just gonna cut it. If you guys are wondering what scissors I'm using, I'm just using some cheap brow scissors. I like the brow scissors because they're short. I can get in there a little bit better. The hardest thing when I'm traveling is like keeping on a schedule. I'm like super excited because I'm finally waking up early, and like my life is so much better when I have structure. I need structure desperately in my life, otherwise I get depressed, I go crazy. Like, I need structure. I cannot live a good life without structure. So that's another reason I don't like traveling so much, is because when I travel, my schedule is all messed up. I cannot do the same things I do at home when I travel. There's just no way. I don't have all the resources. And you know, when you're traveling, you're usually like doing an event or going to meetings and you're tired. You can't wake up super early. So everything gets messed up. So trying to figure out what I should do when I travel so that I can still feel healthy and structured, but make it work for my travel schedule, which is always different. So that's kind of hard. Trying to figure it out though. I tried doing it on this go around. Didn't really work out too well, so I'm gonna try it again next time. But you know, life is just about trying to evolve and grow, and things are always changing. You just gotta roll with it. So I'm getting towards the end here, guys. The key to this is just making sure that you're keeping the wire short, especially if it's going through your hair. Keep the wire as short as possible. When you cut it, make sure you cut it with like super straight ends. Like, don't let the wire curve like that. Try to cut it nice and sharp, because if it curves even just the tiniest amount, it's gonna get caught in your hair. So nice blunt cuts. I am so happy to get this stuff out of my hair. This gold stuff is so cute. It is so cute. But I made this hair for festivals and things. Man, one thing I will disclaim is that when you are out in the sun with this, because I was out in the sun walking around and at the beach and all that, the gold wire catches the heat from the sun, and like this area was getting so hot I had to like take my braid and like fold it underneath at some points. Just be careful if you are wearing some like gold accents and it's hitting your skin. Just be careful with that because it can get pretty hot. I hope I did not cut my hair on that one because, girl, listen. I just had to post a video on my Facebook proving that my hair was real because, you know, I always gotta say something. I don't know, like, what makes people think that... Who has time to be faking hair length and health? Who cares? It's not that serious. There's nothing wrong with wearing extensions and that kind of thing. I have worn extensions for hairstyles, but like I don't know anybody who's just gonna sit here and pose in a picture and pretend like that hair is theirs, you know what I mean? Unless they're just trying to like make a joke or something like that. I'm just gonna cut this wire here. So here's the end of this gold piece. It's kind of, there's a piece of hair that's raveled around and I don't want to cut it off. And I can't see close enough to see like what direction to unravel it, so I don't want to make it worse. I'm just gonna leave it there. And when I take the braid out, that will come with it. It'll be easier like when I can release my hair. So I'm just gonna leave that one there and I'm gonna work on this side. One thing that I've been just thinking about a lot lately and just kind of fed up with, and I don't mean to make this a ranting video, but I haven't talked to you guys in a long time and this is just kind of what's on my mind. But have you guys ever felt like you're just like too nice? Lately I've been feeling like I'm just way too nice to people, and the thing is that like I love being nice to people. I always want people to feel happy. You know, I just want to make someone's day better. It's always nicer to make someone's day better than to make it worse. Why would anyone want to make someone's day worse? Some people do, but I'm not one of those people. Like, I'm not about that life. But sometimes I feel like my niceness goes past niceness and gets into a dangerous realm of wanting to people please. You know, I feel like niceness crosses over to people pleasing when you put other people's needs ahead of yourself. Something I'm learning about myself is that I just feel like because I'm really nice and I just try to go with the flow on things, people take advantage of that, or they like mistake my, you know, kindness for weakness and they just try to get over on me. In the heat of the moment, I'm usually just like super laid back and chill about things. I'm just like, whatever, this is not like important, not a big deal. But then like after, when I'm thinking about it, I get really pissed off that like I let myself be either taken advantage of or be like mistreated, you know what I mean? Like, oh, why didn't I just say no? Or why didn't I just like stick up for myself? Or why did I, you know what I mean? Why did I just let that slide? And I'm just getting kind of sick of that feeling, you know what I mean? Having that feeling. And I've been traveling so much and just meeting so many people, and the majority of the interactions are amazing, but then you know, you have these interactions that are kind of just like make you regret, you know? Make you regret being nice. So one thing I'm trying to do more of is to not treat everybody like their friends. You know what I mean? Like, obviously with you guys, when I meet you guys, like you guys are my friends, like, and that's how I usually look at people, as if, for the most part, I usually look at people as if they're friends I trust, you know what I mean? Like, they have my best interest at heart. And I gotta stop doing that because not everybody has your best interest at heart. And my thing is that like I'm very much like by the book, like treat people the way you want to be treated. And I feel like, oh, I'm treating people the way I want to be treated and they're going to do the same for me, because isn't that how everybody thinks? Everybody knows that, but not everybody does that. So I really have to learn that lesson, because I'm just so tired of like leaving places and just being really disappointed. You know what I mean? Like, if I just like stood up for myself more or just demanded more, you know what I mean? I feel like I would feel more satisfied in some of my interactions. I don't know. Do you guys ever feel like that? I cannot be the only one who just feels like their niceness sometimes puts them in situations that they regret, you know? That's one thing I'm working on this year. Every year is this different goal, you know? Structure and not being so nice. And I don't ever want to lose like my niceness. I don't ever want to stop being a nice person, and I never will stop being a nice person because it's just part of my DNA. I just don't want to allow people to take advantage of me. I'm just tired. I'm tired of that. I'm tired of that life. That's for the birds. I'm over it. Oh my gosh, this one is really, really in there. Oh girl, you went heavy with that sew. But yeah, the events that I went to were great. I really enjoyed meeting you guys at Essence Fest. I wish that my meet and greet was a little bit more organized, because I really wanted to meet you guys, and my meet and greet was all over the place, so they didn't really have a time for me, which kind of sucked. But besides that, it was a pretty good experience. I got to see Janet Jackson. All right, we're almost done here. I don't want to pull any of these, just making them shorter so they're easier to get out. That was the last wire. We are free. Now I'm just gonna take out my braids. I'll start with this one. It's like so dry. I cannot wait to wash my hair. Look at that definition. It's beautiful. This is a braid out that's been sitting for 5 days. It's gonna be nice. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I don't know if I can wash it. I don't want to wash it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna take some photos. This is cute. All right, so I'm gonna take this one out too and release this little metal piece. SMH. My hair is so like, frizzy right here. Looks crazy. I had to put so much gel there, and I used the Main Choice Biotin infused styling gel, which kind of like flakes up. You can't use too much of it, but of course I did because I wanted my hair to stay. It was flaking up on day like 3, making it look like I had dandruff. It's like, great. Okay. Yeah, I'm not about to lose a strand. That's not happening. I'm very stingy with my strands. You gonna let go of my strand, metal. We ain't playing games. You gonna let go of my strands. I have a strict no strand left behind policy. Okay, we're like the army. We go back for our wounded. There we go. Man, you guys don't even know. I had to have a lot of willpower not to take my hair out because I was really tempted to take my braids out and just walk along the beach with my waves, girl. But I was like, nope, nope, you gotta take it out on camera. That would have been cute though. I don't have like any hair right here. It's all peach fuzz. That is so pretty. It's a little frizzy, but that's okay. It smells good. Oh, my hair smells so good. All right. Wow. Well, that's a gigantic braid out. Ooh, ooh. Looks like a Brazilian wavy. Just trying to mix it all. No parts. Probably take some photos. I think it turned out really cute. Probably could make it last a while if I wanted to, but I kind of want to make sure I wash my hair. Get my scalp nice and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick chit chat about what I've been up to, where I've gone. I had like a huge break in posting videos just because it's kind of hard to post videos on the road when you're doing so much stuff. Especially like natural hair videos are just so involved. Like there's quick videos like this that actually don't take too much time, but like some of the tutorials and like other kind of things that I like to post, they take a really long time to get out. So unfortunately it's really hard to edit on the road. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I might do a Q&A just to talk to you about some other things that you guys might have had on your mind. I know that I'm getting a lot of questions and I haven't done a Q&A in a really long time, so I might do that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this braid out. It's super cute. Super cute. Big hair, don't care. I'm about to take some photos, girl, because you know you cannot have a good hair day and not document it for the gram. Gotta take some photos today. So I'll probably pick out an outfit and take some photos after this. But this would have been a bomb for the beach, but I saved it for you guys. I hope you love it. I don't know if this video helped. Well, yeah, I hope it did help. I hope it helped you learn how to take out the gold wire from your hair carefully without ripping out your hair and saving those strands. No strands left behind. I'll put that on a t-shirt and sell it. That would be friggin' hilarious. Can't do it, girl. We worked too hard to grow this hair. All right, I'm really gonna go though, but I will see you guys in the next one.